Samtang karon ato ng sugdan ang Biztalk uban kang Kapuso actress Mylene Dizon. Says,
this morning, makauban nato ang usa sa mga bida sa bilangin ang bituin sa langit walay lain kundi si Miss Mylene Dizon. Hi Miss Mylene, maayong buntag. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag din sa imo, Cecil.
Kumusta po Miss Mylene? Kumusta kayo lahat dyan sa bahay?
Mabuti naman, hindi pa kami nabuang. Muntik na.
Gamay na lang.
Mabuang na ako.
Ay, wag po sana. Wag kayong mabuang kasi ang ganda nyo pong buang if ever yan po ang mangyayari. Miss Mylene, marami po tayong pag-uusapan this morning but let's start po sa gardening, sa vegetable garden nyo po. Paano po ito nagsimula, Miss Mylene?
May vegetable garden dito sa bahay. Simula nung lumipat kami dito sa Cavite, inumpisahan ko na talaga yan. So that's 2 years ago. Nung nakatira pa ako sa Manila, nung nakatira ako sa condominium, dun sa balkonahe ko, I would have already pots of vegetables. Aside from the ornamental plants that I have inside the house, dun sa balkonahe ko, kalahati nun would be calamansi, herbs, or whatnots na pwede kong i-grow.
Ano-ano na po yung mga na-harvest nyo, Miss Mylene?
I think I have anything that I can plant that will grow in my region. I try to grow it. It's just enough for our household to consume.
Sa mga gusto pong mag-umpisa ng gardening, ng urban gardening, backyard gardening, however they call it, ano po yung mabibigay mong advice? Ano yung starter kit for everyone to start doing this?
Number one, you have to grow. You have to have perfect, beautiful soil. Second is please grow plants or vegetables that will grow in your region. Like sa region ko, hindi naman ako aasa na makakapagtanim ako ng apple tree. Kasi hindi naman tumutubo ang apple tree sa atin. Gigising talaga kami na maagang-maaga para abangan kung may darating na peste o wala. At pag ninabangan may peste, papatayin mo talaga yun isa-isa.
Grabe, Miss Mylene, nakakabilib. It's a different discipline as well, no? It's not just a hobby or an interest. It's really a discipline. And thank you po for the tips that you shared this morning. This time, Miss Mylene, pag-usapan natin ang pagiging mommy mo kasi ang dami mong naging roles, but the most important one is yung mommy role mo to Tomas and Lucas. Kumusta po yung mga bata? Ay, bata pa ba? Ano na?
Bata pa naman. Pero si Tomas is taller than me, so and then he's heavier than me, mas malakas siya. They're good. Si Lucas mas maliit so mas bata pa. So syempre iba yon. Si Kuya kasi teenager na so he's able to handle this distance learning more. But si Lucas, we'll see. Malaro pa kasi si Lucas
Kailangan pa i-guide talaga. Miss Mylene, tama po. With the new normal po and with the so many adjustments that we have to make, ano po yung mga life skills and values na gusto nyong i-instill sa mga bata, kanila Tomas and Lucas po?
The quicker we are to adjusting and to use the time that we have, the better it is for everybody. Kasi kung nagtanga-tanga tayong lahat, walang pasok, tapos nanood ng TV and we didn't make ourselves productive, sayang yung panahon. If you're able to adapt and to make yourself more useful, or you use your time into learning something new or enriching yourself, edi mas mabuti.
Kumusta po yung preparation nyo? Kasi namimiss na po kayo ng mga fans. Kailan po magbabalik TV?
Right now, there's a lot of planning, a lot of pag-uusap na nagaganap. Pero it's all going to be, it's going to be very soon, I think.
Kumusta naman po yung working relationship niyo po? Kasi you're working with veteran actresses and millennial actresses as well. Kumusta po working with the living legend, Miss Nora Honor, and of course, si Kaylin Alcantara?
Wow. Ano yun? Surreal. The experience of working with Miss Nora Honor is out of this world. These are people that you would see in media, but not see in real life. So when the chance was offered to me, I had to say yes right away. because it might not happen again. Kay rin naman, I was so amazed, but when it came to really heavy stuff, the kid really, she's good. She wants to learn pa. She's motivated. She's very inspiring, actually.
Miss Mylene, before we end our interview, ano po yung mensahe niyo po sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin?
Ay, mga kapuso, lalo na dyan sa Cebu, hintay-hintay lang. Malapit na ulit kami mag-tape ng show na Bilangin. At makikita niyo na ulit kami sa inyong telebisyon. So, abang lang po kayo dyan. At magdasal tayong lahat that everything will go smoothly and safely as we go back to work.
Daghang salamat po, Miss Mylene, for spending your morning with us.
Maraming salamat din, Cecil. Good morning, Good morning sa inyong lahat.
Thank you
At
po.
mag-ingat kayo, please.
Yes po, thank you. Ingat din po kayo. And that was Miss Mylene Dizon, mga kapuso, hinaot. Nga doon na mo'y nakatunan kabahin sa gardening, iya usab gihimo sa iyang panimay dito sa Cavite, ug syempre ang pagbalik TV usab sa bilangin ng bituin sa langit at tingin ninyo mga kapuso. Ug mabalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.